back at it. Next day, now we're actually gonna start doing shit. So, probably gonna just keep the light there and start going at it. So, come back when the car's lifted up and we start. Alright guys, we're back. We have the car jacked up. Got Tim's tool chest in here, so we're gonna start probably in the next 30 minutes. We also have a propane heater up in here. Keep this place nice and toasty. Alright guys, we're just draining the coolant out of here. That's what the steps say. So, following the steps.
Air cleaner and resonator out of it.
Alright.
That's already done, isn't it?
Yeah, we already took, that's just under there. So, yeah.
Water mining arm, pivot shaft.
Pivot shaft. There's the coolant down in there. There, let me see the light real quick. See all that? There's the intake. There's the leak. We just took off the alternator. Pretty grimy down there, but we're getting there. We're working at it. Got the car lifted down. We got everything disconnected underneath. Now we just need to get all this stuff off. So, yeah. Figured out that the thermostat housing is where it's leaking, as you can see, like right there. It's just leaking. Over here it isn't. And also we've been taking out the spark plug wires or whatever the hell they're called, and the whole side that was leaking, that right side, they're all wet, but the other side they're all dry. So we're gonna take a peek at the spark plugs. Yeah, there's a bunch of shit in there. So, misfortunate, but we're getting it done, so, yeah. Alright, I'm back after the intake is taken off. It's crap here. So, yesterday when I was talking about the leak, this is where the thermostat kind of hooks up. This is like gone. So that's where it was leaking. And then right now, Tim just RTVing the shit out of the heads and everything, the ports. So that's where we are. All right, guys, we're putting the intake and everything back on there. We're putting the bolts, the main bolts in there, and then we'll start putting the injectors
back on it.
Yeah, but we have these far back ones and that rusty one back there.
Did that one thread end?
Yeah, it's starting to thread end. But
my one's GoPro. It says my GoPro.
We got a new one to the squad here at 4 sessions, so yeah, we got everything JVC'd up. As you can see, it's probably oozing out, so we're just getting the sequence set up. Everything torqued. We should be able to get this done today. So,
wait.
What?
Sorry, go ahead, finish filming.
So, we're good to go.
What are you cooking there, Owen?
Some good old goodies.
Go down.
It's like right there. Let's probably wait on it now.
Oh, there we go.
We got it.
Alright, just bring it over here.
You want this one where it was?
Yeah, this one anyway.
This here is threaded backwards for some stupid reason.
Sweet! You have warmth. Oh yeah. The front of this car is too big. We're getting stuff back together.
Got a
Look
little-
out for the other video. We're doing a time lapse. It's gonna be a separate video, so yeah.
It's gonna be neat. 14 to 18 frames as a
That's
rubber.
our new
Actually, 14
Hero 4 session.
20.
We're just getting finished up with the throttle body. We're gonna have to put the throttle linkage on, the rest of the intake, plug everything in, and we'll be all good to go. What's going on, guys? Got pretty much everything hooked up here, as you can see. Just
That's all I need under here.
2 sensors under here. Tim is. Now I think we're set to start it. Bring it down and start it. Well, we've tried cranking it over a few times, not starting, so we're gonna go back to school tomorrow and get a code reader, see if we can get any codes and diagnose it. So, you wanna try it one more time?